The 2022 model has quite recently shown up with refreshes. The new adaptation includes a refreshed styling, which brings another grille plan, which new example and a more conspicuous look, as well as additional forceful guards, new exhaust pipes, new wheels and so forth. This large number of alterations were made to make this hybrid seem to be the all-new fair-size MDX. Additionally, the organization presented 2 or 3 new variety choices, like liquid carbon metallic and phantom violet pearl. Additionally, the Long Beach Blue Pearl finish is held for the PMC restricted release. For the following years, we are getting reports about the conceivable expansion of the Type S model. This adaptation would accompany 2 or 3 updates, beginning from another suspension and brakes, while it would likewise accompany several styling overhauls, to emphasize its exhibition character. This variant would likewise accompany an all the more impressive motor, however we will get on that in a moment. Curiosities as far as standard and accessible hardware are conceivable 100% of the time. In any case, we are almost certain that the greater part of the things in 2023 RDX will continue as before. Thus, base renditions ought to come outfitted with a 10.2-inch show, remote Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Siri Eyes Free, Bluetooth, a Wi-Fi problem area, HD radio, satellite radio, 2 USB ports, a 9-speaker sound system, voice acknowledgement, press button start, closeness key, double zone programmed environment control, and an all-encompassing moonroof. Furthermore, there are redesigns like roof, 2 back seat USB ports, a 12-speaker premium sound framework, a 16-speaker premium Encompass sound framework, and a 10.5-inch head-up show. With regards to the 2023 Acura RDX inside, we don't anticipate seeing a specific changes. The new update has brought new materials and new variety plans, which made the Lodge look more appealing. We like the form quality also, and generally, the Lodge feels adequately extravagant to rival other conservative premium SUVs in the fragment. 2023 Acura RDX release date and price. We expect that the 2023 Acura RDX will hit the market at some point in the last part of 2022. The base renditions right now start at around $40 and we don't anticipate greater changes from now on. Key contenders are models like Audi Q5, BMW X3, Volvo XC60 and so on.